G'day YouTube. Yesterday, this 12 and 24 volt fridge popped up on Facebook Marketplace. It's a JLK brand, don't know anything about it. The brand itself, 12 and 24 volt, as I said, supposedly worked. It's pretty neat, there's a few marks on the back, but I'm going to build this into a cabinet anyhow. Shows how to wire it, temperature controller, so it's got a bit of a data sheet on it there. It's R134A, which is good. So it shows it's a little bit more modern. It's rated at 48 watts, 4 amps at 12 volt, 2 amps at 24 volt. It actually pulls a bit less than that. It's pulling about 2.5 amps at 13.8, so charged battery, which is really good. It's running off my little lab power supply at the moment, which I need to buy another one of because I absolutely love that thing. I'm just going to stick some of these bits back that hold the insulation in. It has a condensation drain tube that you poke through the floor there. Cute little compressor that hardly even vibrates. Yeah, you can only hear the refrigeration circulate. You can hardly even hear it vibrate, which is perfect, really nice and quiet. You can't see that because it's pulsing. It's 13.6 and 2.1 amps. And it's beautiful and cold inside. It's got a couple of things in the door. It's like the size of a bar fridge. -9 Celsius there. 3 degrees. So it's up on high. I only plugged it in last night at about midnight. So it's obviously that it chills from the back because that's -7 up the back plate there. Yeah. It's got a freezer. Ice box at the very top up here. Oh, the top's all frozen. It's saying -15, but -14.4 across the top. So it has a thermostat. I haven't played with that yet. I just wanted to make sure it got cold since I just bought it. Now let me tell you the funny part about buying this. I wanted a lot more money for it than what I paid for it. But when it came to plugging it in and showing me how it works, he couldn't get it to work. It wouldn't fire up, wouldn't pull any power. He didn't have something smart like a lab power supply so he could show me that it was actually running. He was just plugging it into one of them King's 4-wheel drive battery boxes. At some stage the plug had been plugged into something a little bit soft. The contacts were a bit crap, and the Scarlett socket plug was dead. So instead of paying 220 bucks for it, I got it for 100. All for a plug. So all I did was cut the plug off, which I'm not going to have on it anyway. Probably Anderson it for the new bus. It's not going in the Hiace. It's going in the coaster that's coming. And 100 bucks for, God, it must be a 60 or 70 litre upright fridge freezer. It's 12 volt and only pulls 2 amps. It's really not a very significant current draw, and well, the front of it's neat enough. Could always vinyl wrap it or something if I wanted to make it really tidy, and give it a clean on the inside. It's a beautiful fridge that can go in the motorhome. So yeah, you just got to be on the lookout for these things that pop up on Marketplace, Gumtree, if you're in the States, Craigslist, that kind of thing. You never know what you might find. eBay sometimes, but not so much anymore because of Gumtree and free things like Craigslist. You don't have to pay to list your stuff. So yeah, if I had been more prepared, I probably would have just taken a multimeter with me, and I might have been able to measure and see if there's any resistance through the plug, and that would have told me a bit quicker that the plug was sad. But I didn't have one on me. But I'm made him test it in front of me, and when he went to test it, because I was going up there prepared to pay whatever he was asking, and because it's, God knows what they'd cost new. My mate up at Solar Tasmania's got a good brand like an Evercool or something, which is a bit bigger again. It's like a full small house fridge, and he's selling that second hand for $500. Oh, new old stock second hand for $500, and they're like $2,000 new. So low voltage fridges are expensive for some reason. Yeah, a little power supply running at no sweat at 2.2 amps. Back off a bit to drop the voltage down into the 12s. Still only 2.5 amps at 12.6. So, yeah, good little thing. I'll have a little bit of a surge current to start. The highest I've seen was about 4 amps. But still, like if a lab power supply can start it, it's not an issue at all. A battery will have no problems. So yeah, thought I'd share. This is another thing that you'll see in one of the campers soon. Thanks heaps for watching. The camper playlist will be on this side somewhere with some other videos. Over this side there's some subscribe buttons. I appreciate it. Go and buy something from banggood.com through the link in the description. Gives me a kickback, allows me to keep making cool content. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next video.